Financial Reporting Council recently issued out their review, and I'm going to show you just about now and how it guides preparation for corporate reporting. Clarity of corporate reporting is important for the organization or organizations to assess capital. There's no doubt about that as one of the purposes of corporate reporting. So now, how can we integrate this review to what we need to guide us in preparation for our corporate reporting as a course? I'm going to take it one after the other, linking them together to our syllabus and the review between last year and this year, how it has improved or how it has not improve. Also, the case study student too can learn from this in the sense that these are areas and these are information at the disposal of the institute that they can use to tailor the questions they are going to answer us during the examination. Current things that are happening in the field of finance and accounting. Okay. Now, between last year and this year, impairment of assets was the greatest, first on the list of issues that organizations are having in their corporate reporting. And because this last year and this year is worse even than last year, it simply means this area of impairment can be tested. And if this area of impairment can be tested, then you need to understand the international accounting standard that relates with it, which is IAS 36. You need to familiarize yourself with IAS 36. Hardly are we going to see between the 2 years issues that did not actually escalate. Just a few, like that of income tax, which reduced from 6% to 7 to 5%. Cash flow statements is another area which is examinable. Financial instrument is examinable, revenue is examinable, presentation of financial statement is examinable, judgment and estimate is examinable. Strategic reports is a bit peculiar and becoming universal, and I'm going to talk more about it as we move on. So we need to understand the relevant international financial reporting standard and international accounting standard that relate with this and study them very well in order to pass well our corporate reporting. That is the purpose of this video. And if you are just joining for the first time, my name is Gbenga Olatunji from GJAMES Associates. If there's anything I want you to do for us is to like this video. If you have enjoyed value till now and you believe you will enjoy value till the end of this video. Cash flow. For you to understand the cash flow as it's becoming prevalent as an issue in the corporate reporting world, IAS 7 is important for your understanding. I will not allow this video to be long. Financial instrument is important for you to understand the derivative and the like. And IAS 32 will be your guide.